Hello, I'm Václav, Alien Business Development with SmartGuide. SmartGuide is a platform that turns every phone into a personal tour guide, thus turning tourists into explorers. You want to restart tourism quickly, safe from COVID-19, make visit more rewarding both for tourists and communities, and be ready for the new season with a minimum time and cost? Well, then the award-winning Smart Restart program is here right for you. Tourists want to explore destinations independently instead of risking COVID-19 in a crowded tour group or touching unhygienic audio guides. How? Well, imagine you come to a city and the SmartGuide app turns your phone into an engaging and safe personal guide. It guides you independently outside of the crowds and, like a live guide, tells you interesting stories about the places you visit automatically as you approach them, even if you're offline. You can directly book local experiences and on iPhones get navigated in the augmented reality. Cool, isn't it? And the tourists love it because they get most out of their visit. Thanks to personalized recommendations, they can explore at their own pace, outside of the crowds, and get deeper connection as they enjoy the stories consuming multimedia. So then they tell friends how much they enjoyed your destination for free. And they stay safe from COVID-19. Well, last thing you want is tourists getting infected at your site, right? So no worries. We got you covered with a solution awarded with a seal of excellence by the European Commission. Destinations, attractions, and tour operators use our platform and the content management system to digitize guides 20 times faster and cheaper, to delight and educate their visitors, or to make money by selling the guides at their ticket or information offices, just earning with no more time lost on printing and organizing tours. Just plug in our marketing provided on top of taking over your maintenance headache. Others have, simply because developing an app is long, costly, and very often fails. And they almost never provide the invaluable big data from the smart destination management, including the visitor demographics, the engagement, and the heat maps based on the real behavior that can drive your effective marketing. Our dynamic heat maps showed the city tourism. We motivated 30% of visitors to explore areas outside of the overcrowded hotspots, bringing more authenticity to tourists and more traffic to local businesses. So now we inspire locals to rediscover their own city as we became a flagship of the Singapore Tourism Board startup program. Join 400 destinations and put yourself on the map of almost 300,000 modern travelers, like Prague, Dubai, 3 governments, several UNESCO sites, the Harvard campus, and Deutsche Bahn, the biggest European transportation company, already did. Are you ready to join the future of travel?